Problem 2. The Henry Lord students collected 428 canned goods for the food bank. The Viveris students collected 563 canned goods for the food bank. How many cans have they collected in all? So first we have to figure out our problem type. I'm going to scroll up. Are we finding the difference between the amount of cans they had, or are we putting the numbers together? If you said putting the numbers together, you're correct. This is a put together problem type. So that means we need to add 428 plus 563. So I am going to move to a different screen and I'm going to model this with base 10s. But first I'm going to write my math sentence. So we said that Henry Lord had 428. So I'm just going to write 428, and we said we're putting it together, so we're adding, and we are adding 563 equals question mark. That's what we're going to figure out. So I'm just going to make this a little bigger so we can leave it on the top of our screen, and I'm going to use some base 10s. So first I'm going to build 428. So I'm going to start with my ones. I need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Okay, so I have 8 ones. I'm just putting all my ones together so I can stack. I have 8 ones. Now I'm going to look at my tens place. I need 2 10s, 1 10, then 2 10s, and 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just built, I'm going to stack all my hundreds together, 428. So I'm going to draw a line so I can really separate these because I'm adding. So now I need to build 563. So how many ones are in 563? If you said 3, you are correct. So 1, 2, 3. Now, and I'm just going to represent this over here. So 428, and we're adding 563. Okay, so we modeled our 3 ones. Now we have to model our 10. So there's 6 10s and 563. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I need to add 500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now I need to start with my ones and add 8 ones plus 3 ones. So there's 8 ones here, and I'm going to add them together. So now I have 1 10 and 3 and 1 1 left over because 8 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 11. And we can represent that by bundling our 110. So now I'm going to note that we have 110 bundled and 1 1 that's not bundled. So I'm going to take my 110, I'm going to take my 10 that I just grabbed, that I just bundled, and I'm going to move it to the 10s because we have 1 extra 10 that we bundled when we added 8 ones plus 3 ones. Now I have 3 10s because 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 10s plus 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let me note that over here by writing 9 10s because we have 9 10s. Now I need to add my hundreds. 4 hundreds plus 5 hundreds. So I have 4 hundreds here, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So my final answer is 991. 9 hundreds, 9 10s, and 1 1.